Imagine standing in front of a giant waterfall, the sound of rushing water, the cool mist on your skin, and breathtaking views. Waterfalls are one of the most beautiful creatures in nature. Today we count down the top 10 most beautiful waterfalls in the entire world. Stay till the end to see a truly magical one. Let's get started. Number 10, Sutherland Falls, New Zealand. At number 10 we had the Sutherland Fall in New Zealand, with water falling from a height of 580 meters. This waterfall looks like something out of a fairy tale. Number 9, Plitvice Waterfall, Croatia. This place is a nature wonder. Plitvice Waterfall in Croatia is not just a waterfall. It's a whole collection of stunning cascades surrounded by beautiful blue lakes. Alright friends, how was the video so far? If you liked it, please show it a thumbs up, and if you are interested in mind-blowing facts top 10 videos, make sure to subscribe my channel. Let's go for number 8. Number 8, Iguazu Falls, Vietnam, China. Located between China and Vietnam, Iguazu Falls is one of the biggest waterfalls in Asia. The way waterfall flows over rocks creates an incredible sight. Number 7, Iguazu Falls, Guyana. This one is a hidden gem. This waterfall is 4 times taller than Niagara Falls and is surrounded by untouched rainforest. It's one of the most powerful waterfalls in the world. Number 6, Yosemite Falls, United States. Next we have Yosemite Falls in United States. At 739 meters, it's the tallest waterfall in North America. It looks especially stunning in springs when snows melt. Number 5, Gullfoss, Iceland. Iceland is home to lots of waterfalls, but Gullfoss or Golden Waterfalls is one of the best of all. In winters, it's partly frozen and looks like something from another planet. Number 4, Angel Falls, Venezuela. Now let's talk about it, the tallest waterfall in the world, Angel Falls in Venezuela. It's nearly 1,000 meters tall, so tall that the water turns mist before touching the ground. Number 3, Iguazu Falls, Argentina, Brazil. This one is really huge. The Iguazu Falls on the border of Argentina and Brazil is made up of 275 waterfalls. It's so big that it makes you feel tiny standing next to it. Number 2, Victoria Falls, Zambia, Zimbabwe. At number 2 we have Victoria Falls, one of the most powerful falls in the world. The locals call it the smoke that thunders because the mist can be seen from miles away. Finally, number 1, Niagara Falls, USA, Canada. And finally we have most famous of all, Niagara Falls. With millions of liters of water flowing every second, it's not just a great waterfall, but it also is one of the most beautiful and breathtaking scenes in the world. Waterfalls are nature's way to show beauty, power and wonder. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, please show it a thumbs up, and if you are interested in mind-blowing facts, top 10 videos, make sure to subscribe my channel. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, goodbye for now and peace out.